Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off the silent mode on this device. So just here on the right side of your device you get the volume buttons. Tap to the one from these volume buttons, and here you'll see the bell icon. Just tap here twice to a bell, and here you'll see the message that the calls and notifications just muted. That's sweet. And if you want to just turn off your silent mode, by the same way, tap here and just tap now to the bell, and as can you see, we got here the message that our calls and ring and they are just unmuted. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.